Life is a tough journey, but you already know that. It's going to beat you down and strip you to the core, and you're going to cry. But don't worry, that's a natural part of the deal. The real challenge of growth is when you get knocked down and don't know what you're going to do next. That's when you need to dig deep and find your inner strength. You see, life is going to throw some punches your way, and there's nothing you can do about that. But what you can control is how you respond to those punches. Are you going to stay down on the mat, gasping for air? Or are you going to get up, dust yourself off, and keep going? You may be thinking that it's not your fault, that you were born a certain way, or that something happened to you. And you're right, some things in life are out of your control. But what you can control is how you handle those situations and how you choose to move forward. You have a choice in life, and that choice is to either give up or keep going. You can either let the pain consume you or use it to your advantage. Don't be trapped in the same spot for the rest of your life. You are your own hero, and you have the power to save yourself. I know it's not easy, but don't quit. Take some time to rest and recover, but don't give up. Effort is key, and I need you to match whatever effort the enemy is putting up. Master the doggone effort. At the end of pain is your reward. It's your millions, your productivity, and your promise. So stop crying about it and use that energy to get through it. Recycle your pain. Use it to your advantage. Pain is temporary, but the success that follows it is permanent. You are stronger than you think, and you can handle anything life throws your way. When life knocks you down, don't just sit there and cry. Stand up and say, "Is that all you got?" You were born in the dark, shaped by the dark, and molded by the dark. You can break through anything. You have the power to dictate how you respond to life. Don't be weak, or you will be broke. Keep going, keep pushing, and keep fighting. You've invested too much and made too many sacrifices to give up now. Remember, the fight isn't over until you quit. Don't quit, keep going, and you'll come out on the other side stronger and more resilient than ever before. Thank you for taking the time to watch this video. If you're looking for the key to success, then you won't want to miss the video at the top. It's packed with valuable insights and practical tips that can help you achieve your goals and unlock your full potential. And if you're serious about succeeding, then you won't want to leave without